Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Nissan Kicks versus Yaris Cross. Start by noting your priorities and budget, then inspect trim options and dealer incentives. Look at fuel economy numbers and real-world mileage expectations, plus the infotainment and driver assist features that matter most. Consider cargo versatility and rear seat space for passengers or gear. Finally, weigh running costs, resale value, and comfort to decide which small SUV fits your lifestyle best. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car fixes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your Jeep smelling great while you work. I find a small freshener keeps moods up during wrenching sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Compare the replacement starter to the old one to confirm identical mounting and electrical terminals. Position the starter in place, start mounting bolts by hand to ensure alignment, then tighten them evenly to specified torque if available. Reattach the large power cable and connector, ensuring tight, clean connections. Lower the vehicle from jack stands, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and perform a final start test to confirm proper operation and no unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.